Hey you guys, if you all would like to see how I got this super defined twist out, using these products by Kiani Naturals, then just stay tuned and watch this video. I'm going to show y'all exactly how I achieved it. Okay y'all, so I'm starting off with my hair in these two braids, which you see right here. But for today's styling, I will be using the Moisturizing Butter Whipped Hair Cream for 4C Hair by Kiani Naturals. All of these are by Kiani Naturals. The Curl Custard Max Hold Hair Gel, and the Takedown Frizz Tamer Shine Booster with grapeseed oil. So yeah, I'll also be using perm rods, which you will see later. But first things first, I'm taking out these braids. My hair was previously shampooed and conditioned. My hair is clean, and that's what I'm looking like. So first things first, I am going to separate the back section, and that's what I'm going to start with. So I'm going to part my hair diagonally, which I'm showing you right here. Parting it diagonally. Then I'm getting started with this first section. So I'm starting out with water. I'm going to dampen this section up pretty nicely, then go in with my Evolve brush to detangle. I parted my hair diagonally for parting reasons I'll tell you about later, but I'm starting off with this Moisturizing Butter, and I'm going to start off with that much. And it's just a thick product, and I'm just going to work that in. I'm going to apply it on my ends, add more product. As I was styling my hair actually took a lot of this product. It was very moisturizing, and my hair loved it. I will say that, but you will see that throughout the video. And yeah, so I'm going to wet my hair again, and I'm actually going to go in with the Frizz Tamer, which you see right here, because I didn't want to put that after the gel and like lessen the hold. I wanted a strong hold, so I figured it would make more sense to do it after the product, if that makes sense, to seal in that moisture. And now I'm going in with the Curl Custard Max Hold Gel, and I'm going in with that much. It smells really good, and so does the Frizz Tamer. Going to give y'all more information on that in a bit, but yeah, I'm just working that in, taking my brush once again, as you see. And now I'm going to start twisting. I twist my hair pretty tightly, I would say. I keep my hands as close to my roots as possible, and I detangle as I go down, which you see right here. And I'm just going to keep twisting. And once I get to the ends, which you see here, I'm going to trim it. I will say I trimmed the bare minimum. Looking back, looking at this footage, I could have trimmed so much more. But yeah, so now I'm taking extra product, the butter, and rolling my hair up on this perm rod. And then this is the first section all done right here, and I'm going to do the other side the exact same way. Here you're just going to see that I'm making sure that the perm rods are at the same length. My hair is very long in this footage, y'all, and I roll my perm rods up about half of my length. I just like to look at that more, so it had to be even, you know. And now I'm going to do my side part, which you see right here. Going to get that nice and straight, and then I'm going to extend it back kind of in a diagonal slant, just so I can get this whole side sectioned off. So for this section, I'm going to split it in half, and that's 2 twists, which you see right here. Going to pin up this section and then do the back. So again, I'm going in with my spray bottle, wetting up my hair, and I'm going to go throughout the same process that you saw me do at first. Detangle, go in with the hair butter, the Frizz Tamer, the Curl Custard, then trim. But while you're watching me do this, I'm going to talk to y'all a little bit about the products. So this is from the Fearlessly Natural line by Kiani Naturals, and like I just said, this is the Moisturizing Hair Butter Whipped Hair Cream for 4C Hair. It's made with shea butter, rosemary, lemongrass, and it's specifically made for 4C hair, which I mentioned. Some of the other ingredients include flaxseed, aloe vera, shea butter, serious growth oil. So this product is really good for your hair. Now we have the Curl Custard Max Hold Hair Gel for 4C hair. This is made with aloe vera, and some of the other ingredients are vegetable glycerin, sunflower oil, olive oil. This hair gel or curl custard is specifically made for wash and goes, finger coils, twist outs, and braid out styles. Lastly, like I've been mentioning, is the Takedown Frizz Tamer Shine Booster. All the bottle says about this product is that it's made with grapeseed oil, but I will say it smells absolutely delicious. I still use this to this very day. I received this package over a year ago, like I mentioned, or like I said in my description box of this video and my previous video, which was the unboxing. I do want to mention that they're no longer called Kiani Naturals. You cannot find them on Instagram under the name Kiani Naturals. I believe it's Coco and Shay now. I will have all of that information down below. But I did want to mention that this is old content. As y'all know, my hair is short now. It's nowhere near this length, and it's definitely not this color anymore. I do want to use this on my short hair, maybe for a twist out, but I want to try it for a wash and go. So yeah, that will be coming soon. Kiani Naturals did go under like a rebranding. I believe everything's still under construction. Like I just said, they're now called Coco and Shay. The owner of the brand commented on my unboxing video last week when I posted it. I suck at replying to comments, but I definitely saw it. I will reply back to it. But yeah, she commented and she said they will be coming back soon with more products. They just, went under a well-needed unbranding. And she said she'll send me some more stuff. So, girl, I'm excited for that. But, yeah, this is how I am twisting up this front section. I twist up the front section a lot because, I don't know, it just adds layers, I guess, and it just looks really good. And for this last little section, I do this one diagonally as well. And I'm straightening up that part that you see right here. But I do it diagonally to help when I am fluffing my hair when I get done separating, because it's hard for me to hide my parts. And when it's a diagonal part, the hair kind of lays over the part, if that makes sense. So that is a tip if you're struggling with that. But as you can see, this is the last twist I'm going to show y'all me styling. So I spritzed it with water. Now I'm going in to detangle, and now I'm going in with the moisturizing hair butter and working that in very much. And now I'm going in with the oil, and then after this I go in with the curl custard. And in this clip, you can really see that I'm twisting my hair tightly, keeping my hair as close to the roots as possible to get optimum definition. And this is how my hair looked when I got done twisting them. I had 9 twists in all, 2 in the back, 2 on each side, and 3 on top. And then this is how I looked the next morning. I kind of wish I kept the footage of this makeup look, y'all, but I deleted it. But I'm using the Takedown Frizz Tamer, putting that on my hands so I get it as less frizz as possible. And as you see, I'm taking out the perm rods. I got very, very good definition from these perm rods. I believe a few of them was damp, like maybe 1 or 2, but just at the bottom where the perm rod was. But yeah, look at that definition, looking fire. And I do want to mention that I had did my hair like at 6 o'clock in the morning on this day, and I took these twists down at like 6 or 7 that night, so my hair was drying for a full 12 hours. But I'm sure if I would have let it sit all day and all night, the ends would have been dry. But now it's time to unravel, and look at this back section. It's very, very defined. You'll really be able to see the definition in these top twists though. Very, very defined. And to take down these twists, I kind of like turn it the opposite way to unravel the bottom and then just find the opening and pull it apart, which you see right here. It doesn't create any other frizz though, I promise y'all. This is a very effective way for me to take down my twist. Like, look at this definition, y'all. It's so perfect, so precise, so pretty. Yeah, y'all, it just looks amazing. I don't even know what else to say. I'm pinning up the extra hair just so I can see what I'm doing, y'all. But now I'm finna separate my hair, and I separate it kind of where it naturally separates, and at the ends I kind of just twirl it around my finger to eliminate some frizz. Like, that's another tip. If you notice frizz, if you kind of twirl it in your finger in the right direction, it really does hold the curl together. This back section is not really a good representation on how the whole head looked, but you will see how it looks once, you know, I get to going. Like right here, it just separates very pretty. The curls stayed intact. The way it looked in those chunky sections is not yet separated. It's how it looked once it was separated. And my hair was so long, y'all. Like, I cannot believe my hair was that long. It's so crazy looking back. But yeah, that's how I separate. And I just twirl it around my finger once again. And I separate where it naturally separates. I really don't pull. Well, I might pull it apart. I don't know. But yeah. So once I'm done separating my hair, this is what it looks like. I'm going to take the extra oil on my hands and rub it on the part so that looks extra shiny and it's not going to waste. But I'm taking my wide tooth comb to kind of fluff, mainly to get those parts covered. That's why I had mentioned the diagonal parts, and that's why I did them to help with this process, because I'm not fluffing necessarily for volume, just to, you know, make it fuller. I don't know. I don't even know what the heck, y'all. But this is what it looks like. The curls look really good, as you can see. I'm doing my baby hairs off camera, and you will see that in just a moment. And this is how it looks once I laid my edges. It really did bring it together and make it look so much more sleek. Like, it already looks sleek with the curls popping the way it is, but doing the edges really did like help with that. But that's what my hair is looking like, as you can see. I'm taking some pictures right here, y'all, but that's what it's looking like. And then this right here is a few hours later after I, you know, let it settle. And I'm going to do a spin around. My hair looks amazing though, y'all. Like, it looks really freaking good, if I say so myself. So as you all can see, these are my final results. My hair is so defined. And what I found most impressive was I did my hair like at 6 o'clock this morning. I took this down like at 7 o'clock this evening, just a couple hours ago, and my hair dried. It was a few pieces that was damp, but like the slightest bit damp at the very ends, but it still looks amazing. This moisturizing hair butter, whipped hair cream, this curl custard max hold gel, and the takedown Frizz Tamer Shine Booster with grapeseed oil did my hair wonderful. I loved the application, and I just loved the whole experience of using these products, and I can't wait to see how my hair looks tomorrow, just to see the volume I have, because my hair is always flat on day one. But you know, I love my hair. This was a very beautiful twist out, and I absolutely love it. But that's it for today's video. So if you all enjoyed it, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up. Check my description box for Kiani Naturals Instagram, website, all of that good stuff. And if I have any discount codes to give y'all, I will put that down below as well. Also, comment down below. Tell me anything you want to tell me. Share this video with a friend and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to see you all in my next video. Bye.